Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Catch on fire.
You stop, and then you drop and roll.
Good work. Here, these...
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Everyone ready? Yeah! So, let's ride!
Sorry, Kyle, but cheer up, because I'm going to take you somewhere really cool. Somewhere...
I mustn't be late for story time. I'll chuff and I'll puff to be there on time.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Later?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
Kochira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was... Hey! Hey!
It's not.
You can drive as good as you can fix a road, and you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Looks like we got some work to do.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Rick,
Mysterious newcomer, Jackson Storm. And why is he so darn fast?
It's no mystery if you study the data.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más veloz?
Check it out! They let me keep the rockets! I'll see you at the finish line! Little bit of training.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Hello, Pace! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Get right, turn two.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Old school.
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
Mr. Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.